Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a side straddle from a footlock tutorial on the aerial silks for you. Now, there are a few different ways to get into a side straddle on the aerial silks. This is one of them. You might know another one. This happens to be my favorite because I feel the most secure in it and my knee feels less twisted. Before we get into it, of course, we have to go over our housekeeping rules. Number one, whenever learning anything new for the first time on the aerial silks, please make sure you use a safety mat. Number two, I'm shooting this video from Body and Pole in New York City. It's a studio I sub at. It's right near Penn Station. If you want to train aerial, I definitely recommend this studio to you. And finally, number three, I am going to label this sequence as an advanced beginner sequence because straddling is hard. Also, you have to know how to tie a figure 8 footlock. However, you can do this sequence from the ground. All right, let's get into the sequence. As always, I'm going to talk you through it super slow at half speed, and then we'll do it again at regular pace. The sequence begins by separating the silks and wrapping one of your feet in a figure 8 foot lock. I'm working on silks in a low ceilinged room today, so I'm locking my foot kind of low. You are definitely going to need height above you for your leg to straddle. So I make sure the tail of the silks is on the same side of my body as the free leg. I grab it with both hands and start twisting my body in the same direction as my free leg. So my free leg was my left leg, I twisted to my left. You do one full rotation and then your leg runs into the live end of the silks. Same hand as free leg can grab the live end of the silks and you can open your legs up until that silks is behind your back. Now, whichever hand is on the free silks is going to pull. Whichever hand is on the live end of the silks, meaning the tight silks, is pushing as you halfway invert and then hook the free leg over the tight silks. From here, very important, pause for a photo op. I like to press the tail of the silks out to the side. I just think it looks really cool, especially when your back is facing the camera. All right, to get into the full side straddle, what you're going to do is re-grab the tail of the silks with the same hand super high. So in my case, that's the right hand, and then my left hand is going to start pressing on the silks between that upper thigh as I slowly start to straighten my leg and slide my foot until it's sickled on the top of the silks. Okay, listen you guys, I am a safety girl. I think technically once you're in the straddle, you could release both silks with both hands, but I would never do that. I don't feel that secure. Anyway, I love holding the tail with one hand and releasing the other hand. I think it looks super dramatic and fantastic, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. When you're ready to get out, you will definitely continue holding the tail with one hand. You will take your other hand, grab the live end of the silks as you slip that foot off, letting the silks slide back into your back, coming back into that little arabesque shape. And then we will take both hands high on the tail of the silks and rotate back the way we came. Sometimes your silks can get a little twisted up as you do this, but it's okay because then you can just kick your footlock off and everything will unravel. So just remember, to get into this, we followed the free leg. So to get out of this, we follow the locked foot. Kick everything off and we're good. All right, let's show this again at a regular pace. Starting from that single figure 8 footlock, and I'll stop talking for a moment and just let you guys watch. And that's it. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you really struggle with straddles on the ground, this might not be the best sequence for you. However, if you have a solid mid straddle, I think this gives the illusion of having a deeper straddle when you do it in the air. For me, it does anyway. All right, before you go, definitely smash the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on, as it super duper helps me. And of course, I welcome any more comments or questions. Until the next time, I hope you guys have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.